My name's Dumitriu, and I'm an artist who works embedded in science settings to try and kind of really understand the work that the scientists are doing and develop artworks that kind of engage with the cultural and philosophical and ethical implications of things like brand new technologies, and also look at the historical implications of them as well, and the history of those discoveries to create new artworks that will engage wide audiences in that research through installations, sculptural works, sometimes using the actual the media from the science. So I work a lot with bacteria and use bacteria in my processes, or robotics and things like that. I'm using robots in my work and building robots. So I work very hands-on. So with the science project that I start to work with, I'll be wanting to get really in-depth in the lab. My most recent project was working with the University of California in Irvine in the Liu Lab for Synthetic Evolution, where I created, it's kind of a necklace. It's called Engineered Antibody, and the necklace is all the amino acids in the engineered antibody, and each bead is handmade and incorporates the actual amino acid, including the extra amino acid that they've put into this specially engineered antibody. Amino acids are made from DNA, and they form in like chains of beads, so the bead metaphor seemed really suitable. And the way that the beads amino acid chains fold is what makes the proteins, and what makes the proteins be able to do things, which is what makes from DNA to a living thing. And all living things are made of 20 amino acids, except for these ones that they create in the lab, which has 21. And this antibody they're working on binds very well to HIV, so they're looking at it for new therapies. So I made a piece that was a necklace on different layers, and it's dyed with cloth that has Kumasi blue dye on it, which is the dye that they use in the lab to identify proteins and cut out that section of DNA. But it used to be a wool dye, so I was able to dye cloth with it as well.